Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to the another video of Naqqash Tech. In this video I will tell you how you can make simple navbar. Here you can see here is one logo and here is our navbar with the hover effect, and here is one subscribe button and I settled hover effect on this button. Before starting the video I request you to please subscribe my YouTube channel Naqqash Tech. Now let's start the video. Here is three files, one is background picture, second one is HTML and third one is CSS. Now open the Visual Studio. Here we create one div with the class name hero. After this div we create one nav. After this nav we create one h2 and set the class name. Class name will be logo. And here we type logo name. For example, Naqqash. Here we create one span. Here we type tech, Naqqash tech. After this heading we create one ul, li, hyperreference. First one is home. Now copy this and paste it. Here we set services, about us, portfolio. Last one is contact us. After this UL we create one button and set the type will be button. Here we type subscribe. Save this and open the file. You can see our text is here. Now open the Visual Studio and go to CSS. Here first of all we set the margin will be 0. We set the padding 0, box sizing, border box, and font family. After this we set the class hero. We set the height 100 VH, width will be 100%. We set the background image linear gradient, 0, 0, 0 and 0.5. Then again RGBA 0, 0, 0 and 0.5. After this URL and picture name background.jpg. After this we set the background size will be cover and background position center. Save this and refresh the page. Here you can see our picture looking very perfect. Now back to CSS. Here we now set the nav. We set the display will be flex. Align items in center. Justify content. Space between. After this we set the padding from top 40 pixel. After this we set the padding from left 10%. After this we set the padding from right also 10%. Save this and refresh the page. Here you can see our subscribe button and our navbar is here. Now we edit the logo. Here we type class logo. We set the color will be white and font size 28 pixel. Save this and refresh the page. You can see our logo set perfectly. Now edit the span for the changing the color. Span we set color will be red. Save this and refresh the page. Here you can see our tag color is changed. Now back to CSS and edit the navbar, nav uli. Here we set list style type will be none. After this we set the display will be inline block, and after this we set the padding 10 pixel and 20 pixel. After this we edit the a tag nav uli. We set the color will be white. After color we set the text decoration will be none, and font weight will be bold. Save this and refresh the page. Here you can see our navs settled. Now we add effect on these navbar. Now back to CSS. Here we type nav uli a and hover. Color will be red, and we set the transition will be 0.5 second. Save this and refresh the page. Here you can see our hover effect work properly and looking very great. Now we edit the subscribe button. Back to CSS. Here we edit the button. We type border will be none, background red. After this we set padding will be 12 pixel and 30 pixel. After padding we set the border radius will be 30 pixel. After radius we set the text color will be white, font weight bold, and we set the font size will be 15 pixel, and transition 0.4 second. Now we set the hover effect button hover. Here we set transform scale 1.3. After this we set the cursor will be pointer. Save this and refresh the page. Here you can see our subscribe button and hover effect work properly. I hope you liked the video, and I request you to again please subscribe my YouTube channel Naqqash Tech. Allah Hafiz.